Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 1 of Crochet Keychains. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these 5 different crochet keychains. They are very simple and easy to make, and I hope that you all will love them. Let's get started. These are the materials you're going to need. These are the crochet abbreviations. We will now make the evil eye. First, you have to make a magic ring using the black yarn. For the round one, you have to make 7 single crochet into the magic ring, but you have to change the color in the last stitch of round 1, and I'll show you how to change it. When you reach the last stitch of round 1, do not finish it, and we will introduce the new yarn. Place your blue yarn at the top of your crochet hook and pull it through the 2 loops just like that. Now pull the remaining yarn tail tightly to close the round, and also pull another connected yarns so that we can make it a bit more tight and secure. Now we will make 1 slip stitch into the very first stitch of round 1. Insert your hook into the very first stitch and make 1 slip stitch with the blue yarn. Now we have just finished round 1, and for round 2, make chain 1 first, and we will insert our hook into the same stitch that we made the slip stitch into, and make 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into the same stitch again and make another single crochet, that's 1 increase. Mark the very first stitch with a stitch marker, and you have to make 1 increase in each of the 6 remaining stitches. Here we will change the color again before finishing the last stitch, just like previously. We will change to the white color this time. Do not finish the last stitch and pull the white color through the 2 loops just like that. Pull the yarn tails tightly. And now we will insert our hook into the very first stitch of round 2. Insert your hook and make 1 slip stitch with the white yarn. And we have just finished round 2. To start round 3, make chain 1 and insert your hook into the same stitch again and make 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch with a stitch marker. Now insert your hook into another stitch and make 1 single crochet increase. Insert your hook into another stitch and make 1 single crochet. In another stitch, you have to make 1 increase. So just like that, you have to repeat this pattern until the end. And at the end, we will change the colors again. Before finishing the last stitch, we will change to the dark blue color, and we will make 1 slip stitch into the very first stitch of round 3. To start round 3, make chain 1, insert your hook into the very first stitch, and this time we will make 1 half double crochet. Insert your hook into another stitch and make 1 half double crochet. So you will have to make 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches, and there will be 21 half double crochet in total. We don't need to change the colors this time, and we will just make 1 slip stitch into the very first half double crochet. After that, you can cut the yarn leaving a long tail for sewing. Also cut another connected yarns, leaving about an inch, and you don't need to weave in the ends. You can just leave them as they are. Now make another applique just like this one, and we will sew them together. Now I've made another one, and we will sew them together with their right sides facing towards us. When you're almost finished with sewing, start stuffing a bit tightly to give it some volume. Now we have just finished making our very first keychain. Now we're making the clover leaf, and I suggest that you use the crochet hook, which is 0.5 or 1 millimeter bigger than usual. And we're gonna start with the magic ring. After making the magic ring, make 3 chains first. And we're gonna use treble crochet. Wrap your yarn around the hook for 2 times, just like this. Go back into the magic ring, pull the yarn through, and first pull through 2 loops. And pull through another 2 loops, and pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1 treble crochet, and make another one just like this. You have to pull through 2 loops for 3 times. Make 1 more treble crochet just like previously. And after that, make 3 chains. And make 1 slip stitch into the magic ring. We just finished our first clover leaf, and you have to make 3 more just like this. Make 3 chains, and you have to make 3 triple crochet into the magic ring. After 3 triple crochet, you have to make 3 chains and make 1 slip stitch into the magic ring. I think you get it now, and make 2 more leaps just like this. When you have finished making 4 leaps in total, pull the yarn tail tightly to close the round, and we'll make a little stalk here. You have to make 7 chains first. And insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, and make 1 slip stitch. You have to make 1 slip stitch in each of the chains, and there will be 6 slip stitches in total. After that, you have to make 1 slip stitch into the magic ring. Now you can cut the yarn and weave in the ends. When your leaves are curled up just like mine, you can stretch it with your fingers slowly and gently, and you can also flatten it by pressing it under a book or something heavy. So now we have just finished our second keychain, which is the lucky charm Clover. Now we'll make the Naruto inspired Hello Kitty Maki. I'm gonna use the white yarn with a 2.5mm hook. You have to start with the magic ring. For the round one, you have to make a single crochet into the magic ring. After making a single crochet, pull the yarn tail and mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. For the round 2, you have to make an increase in each of the stitches. Insert your hook into the very first stitch and make 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into the same stitch again and make another single crochet. Just like that, make increases until the end. For the round 3, first you have to make 1 single crochet, and in another stitch you have to make 1 increase. You have to repeat this 1 single crochet, 1 increase pattern for 7 more times until the end. Now we have finished round 3, and before you start round 4, you have to insert your hook into the very first stitch of round 3 and make 1 slip stitch into it. Now we can start round 4. You have to make chain 1 first. Insert your hook into the same stitch that you made the slip stitch into, and make 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch with a stitch marker. Be careful to not get confused. This is the slip stitch, this is chain. The one with stitch marker, it is the single crochet. Now we have made 1 single crochet, so we have to make 7 more single crochet. Notice the pattern above, and all the stitches in the parentheses have to be made in the same stitch. So first you have to make 1/2 double crochet, and you have to make 2 double crochet into the same stitch, after 2 double crochet you have to make 1/2 double crochet again into the same stitch. Now you have to make 1 slip stitch in each stitch for 6 times. After the slip stitches, you have to repeat that earlier pattern again. 1 HTC and 2 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. After that, you have to make 1 single crochet in each stitch for 8 times until the end. At the end, you have to make 1 slip stitch into the very first stitch and cut the yarn, leave a long tail for sewing. So we just finished our very first applique, and now make another one just like this. Now we're gonna make the pink swirl by using the softly slip stitches. You can just use any applique you like. We're gonna start from the middle of the applique, and we will move round by round as we crocheted in the continuous rounds. Now insert your hook into the center and grab your pink yarn. Insert your hook 1 round below, just like this. And grab your yarn from another side and make 1 slip stitch. Now we will move according to the round.